with every human being exits to sleeping, waiting to awaken. Imagination is more than fantasy. It is the power to read it as an identity, to rise beyond a limitation and become the architect of destiny. I wander through uncertain days, bound by fear and old mindsets, believing circumstance defined. Then quietly the future came, calling me beyond the pain, far beyond what eyes can see. The strongest souls awaken fully when purpose burns intensely, and every heart embracing vision. Awaken the vision within you. Let imagination completely move you. No limitation can control a fearless, focused, hopeful soul. A fearless, focused, hopeful soul. With resilient faith through every climb, and creative faith through changing times. Every dream and possibility can shape destiny. I learned awareness builds the path long before results arrive, because transformation first appears beyond uncertainty and fear. Every challenge beacon fuel, helping hidden greatness move, and every dream protected well began reshaping life itself. The future changes through belief, through persistence beyond defeat, and every person unstoppable. Awaken the vision within you. Let imagination completely move you. No limitation can control a fearless, focused, hopeful soul. With resilience through every climb, and creative faith through changing times. And creative faith through changing times. Every dream and possibility can shape destiny. See the future before arrival. Protect the dream through every trial, because imagination lights the way toward a stronger, brighter day. No darkness lasts eternally when awakened minds choose possibility, and every spirit choosing light can transform their life. Now I awaken fully, boldly, with fearless vision surrounding me. No fear can weaken what I see. I move forward courageously, with resilience, purpose, and faith combined. I leave limitation behind, and every challenge helps me prove the awakened mind can change the world too. Imagine greater, believe deeper, and awaken the power already living within you.